Alright. Got a big old ball of a shell, it looks like. It's always got to be right in the middle of like a million ants. Fire ants, them suckers will tear you up. Anyway, first thing I found today. It's Thursday and waiting on Dwayne to show up. We'll be out here in a little while. But anyway, there we go. Hopefully we'll get on something better. I'll get back with you. Yeah, I know. Alright, Dwayne got him a big old chunk of shell.
Yep. Getting to be dark time.
Yeah. But big old piece.
Big
pretty
old
neat.
nice piece here, yeah.
Yeah, I'm assuming it looks like a cannonball, or is it the nose? I can't tell for sure.
I don't know. Might be a cannonball.
Yeah, it's hard to say. Or a nose piece.
Or a nose piece, but...
Anyway, that's pretty cool. Haven't found a lot today, but...
It's getting dark, but
it was just doing a real quick 1 hour, 2 hour hunt, but anyway.
Yeah, hoping this is just things to come.
Yes. Alright. Alright, guys. Come out here checking out a new spot.
Brand new
a long ways from our other one.
Those spots.
But the research was right.
Yep.
Nice 3-ringer.
That's a nice little 3-ringer dropped.
Yeah. Very nice. Big old sucker too. That's cool.
Yep.
Found I don't have them with us, but we'll show them to you. Found a piece of shell too.
Yep.
Both did in a pretty neat little sling buckle.
Yep.
But
new area, kind of far and few, but we found a few pieces here and there.
So went and ate some lunch and found that. So anyway, we'll see what else we get. We're out here metal detecting this old battle slide. It's pretty neat, these graves. Died 1855 or 3, looks like. And this one over here was when they had the battle, was in 1864. But all these were here during while they were fighting, supposedly, obviously. Seems how they're obvious by the dates, but I don't know how long all this stuff's been here, but still pretty cool. A whole bunch of them out here. Anyway, hadn't found a whole lot, but still kind of a cool place, a neat day. So not finding too much today, but did a little research and kind of spent most of the day looking around. But found a little piece of cannonball right here by the road, so I figured I'd video it. It got really cold all of a sudden. It's really weird. But anyway, there we go. Kind of neat. I know we find a lot of them, but still pretty cool. Don't know what kind it is yet, just saw it down there. Like probably a burnside. I felt myself nick it with my shovel. I don't think it's cleaned off one side of it. I was just trying to clean it a little bit. Yeah, burnside. Nice one. My first one today.
Yeah.
And now it's starting to rain.
Yep. And it's cold.
And blow.
Yeah.
Anyway. Alright.
Turn terrible. Big old chunk of shell, cannonball, I guess. Pretty cool. Anyway, about to wrap it up. Starting to get dark. Heading back to the truck. See what else we can find. Smash mud in my butt. I got a cool piece too. Yeah. Another one. Good. Almost half. Yeah. Cool. Yeah. Alrighty. Cold and dark on us, boys.
Yeah. My nose is running. Alright, Dwayne got him a cool little...
Nice little bullet here.
Is it a burnside?
I don't know. Might be.
I think so. It's hard to tell.
Get my fingers off my gloves.
Yeah, I think it is. Yep. One burnside bullet.
There it is.
Cool. Very nice.
First one of the morning.
Yeah.
Been a hard morning.
Been doing a lot of walking.
Walking.
But
Not much finding.
Yeah, not yet anyway. Right. Dwayne just got him an Indian head.
Yeah. You can see it.
Focus on there, but anyway. You can picture, can you see the date? That's cool, man.
Yeah.
Hopefully it's...
Looks like it's in fairly good shape.
Yeah.
See if we can get another picture of it.
I don't know if it's going to show up good or not, but anyway, it's hard to get this thing to focus just right.
It's an Indian head, though.
Can't see the date. Let's see here. Oh, there we go. We're looking at it the wrong way.
Oh. Can't read upside down numbers.
Yeah. 18 something, I think. Anyway, if it'd focus, I'd give you. Yeah, we'll figure it out. We'll get a picture of it. Alright, cool. Alright. Dwayne's luck.
Yeah.
Digging a hole. Well, maybe you're digging up the face of it over there. Maybe so. That's a possibility, because there's the back of it. And right on top with a loop. It's a big one, too. Some kind of nice cold button, probably. Maybe you're digging at the front of it over there.
Crazy, crazy, man.
Huh. Ah.
How can you?
Always
Right
the
over
back.
there. Yeah, I've dug up many backs over here now.
Well, finish that hole out.
Yeah, let me see if I can find the rest of this piece.
Alright. We'll get with you. We were joking about it being the front in the hole, but it is.
It looks like
I
it.
think
Looks like
so.
it got hit.
Yeah, but who cares? I'm gonna shut this
I
thing
care.
off. Yeah, well, I mean,
be hit.
well, I know, but I mean, it's still an all. Look, it's still got the careful. Still got the gilt on it and stuff too.
Yeah.
Oh man, easy. It'll fall apart on you.
Yeah. Tractor ran over it.
Wow, that's cool though.
I don't know what kind it is, but
It's an eagle button, I think. Yeah, look at the stars. I bet it's the New York regiment. Yeah.
that's it,
Pretty
boys.
cool though. We'll clean it up and be real careful with it.
First time I dug the back first. Turn around and dig the front.
That's pretty cool. Alright. Let's see if I can tell. With those stars on it, I think it's that. Probably is. New York regiment. I mean, that New York button like I found. But anyway. Cool. Alright. Well, there you go.
We're still looking.
We'll have
still
to
finding.
cover the spot a little better.
Just found.
Neat little one. A really deep groove in the bottom.
Yeah. Solid base.
I suppose they carved it like that.
Oh, maybe so.
Maybe that's what they did.
Like carpet.
I've never seen one like that.
Sure, it's too round. The bottom, the base is too round. Yeah. Something different.
Alright. There we go. Kind of with these little buttons. Not sure what they're off of, but if anybody knows what they are, this is about the third one we found out here. Some little like pyramid designs all the way around it. But you know what it is, let me know. I was about to panic if I didn't find nothing soon. Alrighty, got a nice through here. I've not been doing well today. I've been hit a little bit, but still pretty cool. I'll take it. Alrighty. Dwayne's been stealing all the good finds. I said Dwayne's been stealing all the good finds today.
Yeah.
But anyway. Yeah. He's been seeding the field while I wasn't looking. Alright, well, we're back. Got a big old ball. Pretty nice one. It's my slowest day ever. But
In the history of your melody.
yes. Yep. But anyway, there we go. Alright guys. Well, here me and Dwayne, and wrapping up another day. We didn't do a ton. We did a lot more driving than metal detecting this time, I think, trying to find some new spots. But we come across a few things here and there at the spots we got permission to go on, and went back to a couple of our old ones. But found this. I think it's either maybe a sling buckle or off of one of their pouches or something. I hadn't looked it up yet. Got a 3-ringer and a Burnside and some these little buttons. You see them in the video. I'm not sure what they are. Got 2 of those. If anybody knows what they are, let me know. Round balls, artillery pieces. I don't know what that is. Looks like it hooks to something right there, but piece of crap, I guess. But didn't do as much as normal. Trying to find some good spots, but
right.
Dwayne did all right.
Yeah, I stumbled across a few pieces. I got, of course, a bunch of artillery pieces. We had this little piece here. I'm not sure what that is, and pieces of lead, 3-ringer, some artillery balls, like maybe a Burnside, a rimfire off a small caliber, Indian head, 1906, I think we said, 1940 penny, some balls, piece of a harmonica. This is a tractor run over.
Try to get over there and that sun in the way.
I think we figured it's off the New York Regiment. It's a nice coat button. The back, we found the back, you'll see in the video, maybe 2 or 3 feet apart. This was on top of the ground. This was buried in the ground.
Yeah.
Some kind of little gold-plated brooch or something. And this is interesting piece of
the little
bullet. We found it to be a Tranter revolver.
If we're saying that right.
Sure. Comes off of a 36. This may be just a tad smaller, but 36 caliber Tranter revolver.
Pretty cool little bullet. We never found one.
Possibly Confederate. We're not sure.
So anyway.
But anyway, we found a few interesting pieces, something different.
Yeah, whatever this thing is.
Yeah, that looks like a weird looking thing there.
It's brass.
Big old brass top off or something.
I don't know.
Might be a tractor part, who knows?
Yeah, who knows. But anyway, that's what we got.
That's what we got.
And we'll, I guess we'll get back whenever we go and see you guys next time. Hopefully we'll get a little bit more stuff.
Yeah.
But there we go.